talk about how can you disable auto sensitivity on your Discord app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on you down here, just click on it. When you click on you, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find your voice, just click on it. So then you will find your auto sensitivity here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going to mean auto sensitivity disabled with us now. And here can you select here import sensitivity, or can you manage it here in this list. When you swipe it like this, can you just swipe it here, then here it's going to so select with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.